There are numerous advantages to incorporating organic matter into your garden soil that will help your plants remain healthy and produce more. This method enriches the soil, allowing plants to grow stronger by providing the nutrients they require. It also alters the soil's structure, allowing it to retain water, while also allowing air in. It also helps reduce household garbage and promotes environmentally friendly gardening methods. If you create a nutrient-rich environment, your garden will thrive and grow strong. Burying kitchen waste in your garden bed is an excellent way to enrich the soil and promote healthy growth. It's a simple, natural way to recycle organic waste and convert it into useful nutrients for your plants. Here's why you should look into this method and how it works. First and foremost, dig a deep trench in your garden bed. This trench will be where your kitchen waste decomposes away from the surface, preventing pests and odors while allowing the decomposition process to proceed smoothly. The depth ensures that the waste is properly insulated and in contact with the soil, which contains beneficial microorganisms that help with decomposition. Next, placing kitchen waste in the trench is a great way to recycle organic matter. Kitchen waste, such as vegetable peels, fruit scraps, and even rotten vegetables and fruits, are high in nutrients that plants require. When these materials degrade, they release important nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium into the soil. More types of kitchen waste equals a wider range of nutrients for your garden. This method not only reduces waste in your home, but it also increases soil fertility, resulting in healthier and more robust plants. The next step is to sprinkle bone meal over the kitchen waste. Bone meal contains an abundance of phosphorus and calcium, both of which are essential for plant growth. Phosphorus is necessary for root development and flowering, whereas calcium aids in the formation of strong cell walls, improving the plant's overall health. By including bone meal, you ensure that your plants receive a consistent supply of these essential nutrients as the kitchen waste decomposes. Following the bone meal, a small amount of fully decomposed manure is very beneficial. Manure contains a lot of organic matter and microorganisms, which helps with the decomposition process. Fully decomposed manure, also known as compost, contains beneficial bacteria and fungi that break down organic matter more quickly and efficiently. This not only speeds up the composting process for kitchen waste, but it also adds nutrients to the soil, making it even more fertile. Finally, covering everything with soil and leaving it for at least 6 weeks before planting allows the decomposition process to take place without interruption. This waiting period ensures that the kitchen waste has sufficiently broken down and that the nutrients are available to the plants. Doing this at the beginning of winter, when nothing is planted in the bed, allows the decomposition process to proceed unhindered, ensuring that your garden bed is ready for planting in the spring. Please feel free to share any effective organic methods in the comment section below. Click on the video links provided in the description for more recipes and detailed instructions on making your own nutrient-rich fertilizers. We appreciate your time, and if you want more gardening advice, please like, subscribe, and watch our other videos.